Pineapple are consumed in many ways around the world. It is most popular as desserts such as snacks, fruit salad and sweets. Pineapple is also famous in some savory dishes, including pizza toppings, baked and grilled food. The fresh juice of pineapple is served as a beverage, and it is also the main ingredient in cocktails and natural mocktails, as well as in the famous Mexican drink tepache. We are proud to say that the most delicious pineapples in the world is available in Sri Lanka. We have many varieties of pineapple, including cayenne, red stripe, and queen pineapple. Pineapple is a great source of fiber, vitamins, minerals like manganese, enzymes, and antioxidants. Consuming organic pineapple for your healthy diet can support to boost the immunity system, build strong bonds, and aid indigestion. Subscribe Real Life Sri Lanka and stay connected with us to watch upcoming video of making organic mocktail, tepache and wine. Let's celebrate real life. Now you are living.